This is what you need to make your girl happy.
The new Lawn Mower 5.0 is the best yet, and it's now accompanied by an upgraded trimmer blade and interchangeable foil blade.
From Manscaped, once again, a game changer, I would say. The Chairman Pro.
2 different guards. One, if you want to keep a little bit of that stubble you got going on. If you want a closer shave, you can pop on the 4-foil blade.
Team Manscaped have much more to offer than that. This handyman might not be the one for home improvements, but it can certainly take care of your facial hair. Plus, this thing is compact and great for travel.
The Dome Shaver Pro, very easy to use. And what's really important is it cuts my hair in half the time.
My beard hedger, which I absolutely cannot live without, and it gets it perfect every single time.
Meet the Manscaped Weed Whacker 2.0 nose and ear hair trimmer.
Get to buzzing, baby.